Good afternoon. This is RJS Roofing. We're here to do a repairability attempt for Mr. Victor Litman. Today's date is Wednesday, May 15th. It is 11:45 in the morning, I guess, and it is 75 degrees outside. This will be the 3-tab that we're replacing due to this wind damage shingle here, as you can see. Tools we're going to use is State Farm approved roof snake, your standard nail puller, and a roofing hammer. I'm going to start off by breaking the seals to these shingles so we can get to our nails. I'm going to be as gentle as I possibly can during this repair. Alright, I want to give them a close-up before we start. That way you guys can see from the 2 rows we'll be taking nails from. There's no prior wind damage or anything like that on the shingles, granule loss or anything like that, except for the one that we're replacing. I'm going to use the the hammer and the nail puller to locate the nail. When I'm locating the nail, I'm not picking the shingle up all the way, lifting it back, nothing too aggressive. Just lifting it up about this high so I can find that nail underneath that sealant line.
On this shingle here, you can see a little bit of granule loss along with a little bit of creasing going throughout the top of the shingle. Same thing with this one, you can see a little bit of creasing starting from the right side of the shingle, moving all the way across to the left. On this shingle here, it's a little bit worse. You can see the crease pretty good here and all the way across the shingle.
All right, last nail, first row.
This shingle here is the same thing. It starts creasing on the right side, going all the way across to the left.
Alright, second row of nails.
On this one, you can see a little bit of creasing along with some granule loss on the right side. So not too much in the middle, but towards the left side you can see it. On this shingle here, you can see on the right side, it's creasing, starting to crease. Not too bad in the middle, a little bit on the left. On this shingle here, you can see granule loss over here on the right side. Here in the middle, a little bit of creasing.
use the State Farm approved roof snake to install the nails back up underneath each shingle. Still the same as when I took them out. I'm not going to be taking the shingle and cranking it all the way back. Nothing too aggressive with it. Just lifting it up just high enough to get it right here on the snake where it needs to go. Few more nails. Nail. All right, this repair attempt is finished. We'll go over the damages with you guys. Now that you can hear us a lot better, the lawnmower's gone. As you can see, we've got our new 3-tab replaced. You can see this shingle here, we've got some broken matting, creasing loss right, or granule loss with a crease right here. This shingle here, more of the same, all the way across from right to left, broken matting and creasing. This shingle is probably our worst one, really deep creasing right here, with broken matting, granule loss. This one kind of the same, but not quite as bad here on this left side. You can see it's pretty good right here from the middle to the right, definitely a crease there. In this top row, you see broken matting right here on the right and right here on the left with some loose granules, crease starting to form. This one right here, you can see a crease on the right side, and over here some more broken matting right here on the left side. So we'll mark that one as well. And this shingle here, you see we got broken matting in the middle, a little bit of crease starting to form with some granule loss. And if these don't reseal, you know, they'll just get worse over time. So we'll mark that one. So because of the damages surrounding our repair, you know, we got our new 3-tab in where we did have 1 shingle damage. Now we've got 7 that are compromised. I have to say, this repair test